Food and Beverage Expo.
Good morning. We are from Sealers India. We are having our manufacturing unit in Chennai, in Ambattur estate. We cater to food industries, beverage industries, restaurants, hotels, pharma industries. We have come to this exhibition, Expo, to reach out to more customers, particularly startups and entrepreneurs, beginners. We are into this industry around 40 years. Our third generation company here, though we are very much prominent in food packing industries. We have participated in this expo as sales and marketing is a continuous process to reach out to more new customers and existing customers, to meet our existing customers also. We cover to various ranges of machines we have: tray sealing machines, cup sealing machines, filling and sealing machines used in food industry, dairy industry. One of our fascinating product is map packing, which is called as modified atmospheric packaging, which is used in extending the shelf life of the sweet and savory industry. We are also exploring new market in this map packing machineries to meet much more new products. Okay, this machine works like it will flush nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen is an inert gas, and carbon dioxide is used as increasing the shelf life of the food product. Mostly sweet. For example, sweet items which comes around 4 days or 5 days shelf life, we can extend up to 30 days shelf life without having any preservatives. So this in the map packaging, what it does? Okay, it flushes nitrogen and carbon dioxide. It removes the oxygen. Once oxygen is removed from the container, it will extend the shelf life of the food product. In the atmosphere, it's around 20% O2 and 80% nitrogen, and around 0.5% carbon dioxide is there. By the map packing process, we eliminate that oxygen, or we reduce that oxygen level to less than 0.5%, thereby increasing the shelf life of the product. And we are having vacuum packing machines. We are into small mid-range products, manual tray sealers, also into much more advanced tray sealing machine, linear tray sealing machines and all. We also tie up with G. Montini, Henkelman in Netherlands. G. Montini, they are doing high-speed tray sealing, map sealing and thermoforming machines. And Netherlands, we are tied up with Henkelman for advanced vacuum packing machines. We have got a good response in this expo. Actually, in middle of hectic schedule, that is Puja and Diwali ahead. In spite of hectic schedule in our factory and office, we have come here to participate, to reach out to new customers, and we hope we get good response and good business out of this show. Thank you.